cook with love. Khushbu in the kitchen. Let's cook with love. Yummy traditions.
Tasty, delicious, home-style food.
Let's cook with love. Rafat, me and you. Rafat's recipe.